it's Dazz007, also known as Nedlock, from uklocksport.co.uk, and I'm going to be picking this little lock today that I've been given. It doesn't have a make on it. I think it's more of a cheapy lock, but it's good for beginners to sort of watch this, because it's a good practice lock, good beginner's practice lock there. And we'll close that and pick that. So there we go. It does have a very narrow keyway. I don't know if you can see that at all. But yeah, let's pick this then. Okay. So this is the pick I'm going to be using for this. Let's get that up there. If you can see that. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to use very light tension. And there we go, picked. So as I say, it's a very easy lock to pick. But these locks are good for beginners. So, hope you enjoyed it. On my oncoming videos, just got my bump keys through today, which I'm quite excited about, and that's from Without a Key. You can find them online. They sell some great lockpicking tools. So I'll open that up now. What we've got. I've not used bump keys before, but I have watched a lot of Odyssey 2, his videos with bump keys, and I'll be watching plenty more, so hopefully I can learn a bit more how to use them from him. So they'll be coming up soon, guys. Oh, look. Thank you for watching. And remember, keep it legal.